You can walk a little faster if you want to.
It's going in circles.
There you go, buddy. Yeah, there, that's perfect. Anything you want. Look close, stay closer if you could. There you go. Run on around. Oh, that's outstanding. Outstanding. Let's go the other way.
Okay, come this way, Ellie. Come on.
Oh, that's outstanding.
Good girl.
One more time.
Good girl. Come on. One more circle. Come on.
Okay. Go around me. All right, now go the other way. And then don't go around me. Just stay out there and move around.